Good morning, first grade. So I'm outside today because why not be outside when it's beautiful and you're stuck inside all day? So get some fresh air. But this morning we're going to talk about parallel lines and what parallel lines are. First, I have a little song that it's pretty easy to learn, and after I sing it a couple times, I want you to sing it with me. I know that you know the tune of The Wheels on the Bus, so you can sing this song with me. So, parallel lines, song goes like this. It goes, parallel lines never touch, never touch, never touch. Parallel lines never touch at any point. Easy as that. So you can re-sing that over and over again. So what parallel lines are two lines that can go really any way that never touch, and they have the same amount of distance in between them at all times. Let me kind of give you a show of what it will look like. So this is what parallel lines would look like. It's two lines with the same amount of distance in between, and that no matter what point, they will never cross, they will never touch. So these are some examples of parallel lines. If I was looking at a shape, let's say I'm looking at a square. Okay? And so in my square, the two parallel lines that I have would be this line and this line. Those two lines are parallel, which means no matter how far or how long they go, they will never cross and they will never touch. Also on a square, I've got these two lines that are parallel with one another, and those two lines will never cross or never touch. So what we're going to do today is we're going to go find some parallel lines together outside, because who doesn't like a scavenger hunt, right? So just real quick so you get an idea, on my board I actually have a parallel line too. Do you see it? Can you find it? So here on the side and here on the side are the two parallel lines, because no matter how far they go, if they kept going, they would never cross or touch. And then the top and the bottom of my board, there are other two parallel lines, because if they kept going, they would never cross or touch. So I need your help. Can you help me? We're gonna go on a scavenger hunt. Are you ready? I said, are you ready? All right, let's do this. So you are gonna go outside too after this video, and I want you to take a picture of something that you found that was a parallel line. Anything outside. So for example, come with me and let's find some parallel lines. Hey, wait, my wagon. My two lines here, I have a line here and a line here. Those two are parallel lines. Let's keep going. My flag. Here's some more parallel lines. I have the side of my line of my flag here and the side of my flag here are parallel lines. And if I went to my other side of my other wagon, I have more parallel lines. I have a parallel line on the top and on the bottom. Those are parallel lines. They will never cross. And on the side of my wagon, those will never cross. So I just gave you some ideas about parallel lines. I want you to go outside right now, or whenever you have permission, and I want you to take a picture and send it to me through email of a parallel line, something outside, an object outside that you have found, and send me your parallel lines that you found. Today I hope you have fun and you've learned what parallel lines are and that you're singing my song. And just remember that parallel lines will never touch. All right guys, see you later.